Everyone loves a Biffo Special, especially when it's twirling out of control. 25 seconds. Oh, hang on, that's the wrong side of my clipboard. Merge there, and then go hairpin left. 15. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Merge looks clear. 200 yards and hairpin left into hairpin right. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Hairpin left, hairpin right. Around that mound of shit. Round the mound of shit, then about another 200 yards. And then it's 90 right. And 90 right and then 90 left. And round to the right a bit. And left and then 90 right. And then fast right. Then 200 yards, this is quite a tight right then left chicane. That's a mini. And 90 left and then 90 right. So it'll be going off of a split, which isn't all that far away. Tightens a bit here. Woo. There's a chicane here. Oh, there was a chicane there. Then we go round to the right and then 90 right-ish. Fucking hell, some fucking people. And it goes. So it goes right, and then it goes sharper right, and then it goes round to the left. And he's going, oh fuck off. But he's gonna split left. Jesus fucking Christ. And he's gonna split left up here and we go right. So keep right and then yeah, and then 90 right. 90 right-ish. And it's about 200 yards, then it's 90 left. Righto, mate. 200 yards, 90 left. It's a bit rough through here. So 90 left into another 90 left, and then 90 right. Big hole. And it's about 600 yards. Then hairpin right, hairpin left. Hairpin right, then hairpin left. This side of that bale. It all depends which bale you look at. Hairpin left. Then slight left. And then 90 right. Oh, 90 left again. Chicane. Um, 200 yards, hairpin left.
What the fucking hell's going on there?
No, is that your car? What are you going to blame? Oh,
It's the car!
it's car, bastard! Hairpin left. Here. Probably should mention that a little bit earlier. That way. Over there. Round that pile of shit. Watch a big rock there. I mean, about 200 yards. 90 right, 90 left. Oh dear. 90 right. And then 90 left. Fucking hell. Over there, then. Oh! Fast right.
Fucking asshole, what an animal!
It's tight chicane, right then left. What? Right then left, chicane, there. Look at it. Through that bit and then 90 right. Oh god, 90 right. And then that way and it tightens a bit. And then goes round that way, and there's a chicane, which was a bit more open last time than it had been before. Made a noise then, Frank, that little stone.
Yeah, don't worry about it, Robin. When it breaks, it breaks.
Alright, fair dues. I'm lost now. Oh yeah, that way, right a bit, and then it's sort of open, it's like a... Oh, that's nice. It's sort of medium right into 90 right. See what I know I'm talking about, and then left. Everyone thinks you're a, don't know what, an animal or a nutter. How many laps have we done, Frank? This is our second, isn't it?
That's one, yeah.
Yeah, keep left then. And it's right into left chicanes. Keep left, and then chicane, right, then left. Oh. Ooh. Then there's another one up here. I think it's left, then right, then left. Fucking hell. And stop. Well, down there a bit.
Fucking asshole.
You like touched the corners on things.
Did I touch him or did I smash into bits?
I don't know what you did.
Jesus, well.
Fucking hell.
Pass out.
Oh! Oh God. Hello.
Jesus.
It's hard work, this. This for me, just sitting here. I keep having to turn my neck to see where we're going.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.